This is question 62 of Civil Engineering General Aptitude section of GATE 2017 afternoon session. A map shows the elevation of Darjeeling, Gangtok, Kalimpong, Pelling and Siliguri. Kalimpong is at a lower elevation than Gangtok. Pelling is at a lower elevation than Gangtok. Pelling is at a higher elevation than Siliguri. Darjeeling is at a higher elevation than Gangtok. Which of the following statements can be inferred from the paragraph? So there are 4 statements given. We need to select the correct statement which can be concluded from the conditions given in this paragraph. So now let's read the statements and just arrange their elevations. So here it is given that Kalimpong is at a lower elevation than Gangtok. So we can write Kalimpong is at a lower elevation than Gangtok. So Gangtok is somewhere above than Kalimpong. The second, Pelling is at a lower elevation than Gangtok. Pelling is at a lower elevation than Gangtok. And the third condition, Pelling is at a higher elevation than Siliguri. So we can write Pelling is at a higher elevation than Siliguri. Darjeeling is at a higher elevation than Gangtok. So Darjeeling is at a higher elevation than Gangtok here. So we can also write here Darjeeling is at a higher elevation than Gangtok. So the statements which are given in the first statement, Pelling is at a higher elevation than Kalimpong. So there is a relationship between given Pelling and Kalimpong. So since from the statements given in the questions or the conditions given in the question is talking about 2 sets. The first set is this Darjeeling, Gangtok and Kalimpong, and the second set is Darjeeling, Gangtok, Pelling and Siliguri. But from these conditions we cannot say the relationship between Kalimpong and Pelling directly. So we are not sure about the statement 1. So we cannot say this statement 1 is correct or incorrect. So this is no, we cannot select the statement 1. Now read the statement 2. Kalimpong is at a lower elevation than Darjeeling. So yes, from the conditions we can see this Kalimpong is at a lower elevation than Darjeeling. So this option 2 is the correct statement from this condition. Now read the third statement. Kalimpong is at a higher elevation than Siliguri. Again there is a relationship between Kalimpong and Siliguri. So we do not know the direct relationship between Kalimpong and Siliguri, the elevation of Kalimpong and that of Siliguri from these conditions. So we cannot sure about this statement 3. Now read the fourth statement. Siliguri is at a lower elevation than Gangtok. So Siliguri is at a lower elevation than Gangtok. Yes, this is Siliguri and this is Gangtok. So Siliguri is at a lower elevation than Gangtok is given in the conditions. So we can say the fourth statement is again right. So among these 4 statement, 2 and 4, the second and 4 statement is correct, which is given in option C, only 2 and 4. So option C is the correct option for this question. Thank you.